Welcome to this session. Before we dive into the details of working with the Azure platform, let's take a moment to explore what public cloud computing is all about. Understanding this will give you a solid foundation as we move forward with Azure. When you start using Azure as a customer, you are essentially tapping into a portion of Microsoft robust cloud computing. This platform offers you the capability to deploy applications, set up infrastructure, and much more, all without needing physical servers of your own. One of the fundamental services we will discuss is the Azure Virtual Machine Service. This is Azure's basic compute service and acts as the backbone for many applications and workloads. Think about your personal devices, your laptop or desktop. These machines have specific hardware configurations such as CPU, RAM, and storage. They run operating systems like Windows 10, Windows 11, or macOS, but these are client machines designed for individual users. In contrast, Azure Virtual Machine run on server-grade operating systems such as Windows Server or Ubuntu Server. These servers are designed to handle enterprise-level workloads. Let's take an example. Companies that want to host applications typically start by setting up a server. This server will have its own CPU, memory, and storage. A server-based operating system is then installed, and the application is hosted on it. For instance, a web application can be hosted on a server made accessible over the internet to users worldwide. This is where the user platform comes into the play. Azure replaced the needs for physical server by offering virtual machines and other services over the internet. You can leverage Azure's comprehensive suite of services including virtual networking, data storage, and more. Azure allows you to build, run, and manage your application seamlessly. With services like virtual machines, you can replicate the functionality of traditional servers. And with networking services, you can create a resource and scalable connections. In essence, Microsoft Azure is a public cloud computing platform that empowers business to operate in the cloud, providing the flexibility, scalability, and efficiency required for modern applications. In this chapter, we have covered a quick introduction to Microsoft Azure and its role as a public cloud platform. In the next session, we will dive deeper into setting up your first Azure virtual machine. So, stay tuned.